Hello everybody, this is Jhilmil. Welcome to my channel Beauty and Beyond. In today's video, I'm going to show you the unboxing of the June month's My Envy box. So this month My Envy box has come in a package like this. It's very beautiful. Of late I am observing that My Envy box is coming in very artistically designed boxes, and I really love that. And see the design, it's really artistic. Let's see what's inside the box. Once you open the box, this is what it looks like, and there is the product description leaflet, and these are the products. So let me show you one by one what the products are. The first product that I can see is the Elemblu waterproof mascara. Now that is really good. I can see that nowadays My Envy box is providing eye makeup products. I think last month it was an eyeliner, and this month it's a mascara, and this is the one. This is the mascara. It's called the Elemblu High Volume Waterproof Mascara in Intense Black. The price of this product is 599 rupees, and it's obviously a full-size product. The next product that I can see is the Russ Luxury Oils Skin Clearing Face Elixir, and they have sent it in a package like this, and inside, once you open this bowl, this is how the product looks. It's a very tiny sample size product. It's only 3 ml of product in the box, but the actual product is 15 ml and it costs rupees 2,350. That's really very expensive. And this product is 3 ml and it costs rupees 470. That 470 for 3 ml is really expensive. So let me tell you about the product, because I myself am not sure what is it. Luminous Skin Clearing Face Elixir is a purifying blend of enriching antioxidant oils that cleanse and clear your skin to giving you a glowing, flawless complexion. This sounds really interesting, and given the price of the product, it has to be good. So yes, this is the second product. So the product that I can see is... okay, this is something I am really excited about, because this is, I think this brand has been launched very newly, and the launch event was there, held in Mumbai this month only, if I'm not wrong. And it's the Shankara Ayurveda Deep Cleanse Facial Ubtan, Papaya and Red Sandalwood. This is the one. This is how the bottle looks. It looks very good, and it comes in a powdered form. This is a full-size product. The price of this product is 700 rupees, and the quantity is 70 grams. So this one actually can be used in a multiple way. It can be used as a cleanser, a scrub, a mask. So what it does is draws out oil and impurities by polar attraction, purifies, nourishes, moisturizes and soothes the skin, gently exfoliates skin. This is very interesting. And about the product is a hydrating and soothing facial Ubtan infused with herbs, rich in nutrients with calming pitta pacifying aromas. Now that is so interesting. That is the essence of Ayurveda. As I think in one of the ads they say that Hari Patti dikhane se Ayurveda nahi hota hai. So this is the essence of Ayurveda. You should know the body types. The you know, in Ayurveda there are different kind of body types, and you should know what will pacify the particular type of body that you have. So this is what Ayurveda is all about. This sounds really interesting. The fourth product is the BioBloom Facial Scrub Gel. This is the one, and it's for all skin types. And I love gel-based scrubs because I think they work very good for my type of skin. This is a full-size product. It costs rupees 350. and it's a paraben-free scrub which is enriched with rose, aloe vera and vitamin E that rejuvenate the face, giving it a natural glow. It sounds so interesting. It's like, as I told you, it sounds like my kind of product because it has rose, aloe vera and vitamin E. All are very suitable for dry skin, and I have very dry skin, so I think this will be very useful for me. So this is the fourth product, and the last product I'm left with another product, and that is the Plump Gold Dust Body Oil. This is the one. This is one of my favorite brands. It's a hydrating body oil with pure gold dust and 24K gold flakes. That is so interesting. This is a full-size product again. It's 50 ml and it costs ₹1500. So yes, that means the product value is 3500 plus. So in just 850 rupees you're getting products worth 3500. That is really awesome, and all the products in this one's box are really good. I am obsessed with cruelty-free skincare products, so these will be used by me. I know very well that these will be used by me. So let me know which one would you like to know about, or which one you want me to review. I'll use that product and review that. So let me know in the comment section below if there is any particular product from the box that you want me to review. So these are the items in the box. I'm really happy with this month's box, my envy box. I think it's totally worth the value and more. So yes, this is all about it. If you have liked this video, please hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.